The topic of this video is how to send Bitcoin with the Lightning Network on Coinbase. Alright, so first things first, we need to get a invoice, not a wallet address, but an invoice from whatever wallet or whoever you're sending it to needs to give you an invoice. So in order to get an invoice on Coinbase, for instance, you would go to transfer, you would then click on receive crypto, then they would choose Bitcoin and then click on Lightning instead of the default Bitcoin network. Then they are going to make out the invoice. So they need to make out the amount of BTC they are going to receive and then click on create invoice. And now you'll see they have a Lightning invoice. So all they need to do is send you this invoice, or you need to take this invoice from whatever compatible wallet you have. And then you go about it like you would sending any other coin. So inside of Coinbase, you would click on transfer, send crypto, then you'd paste your invoice address. And then of course, I don't have sufficient funds, but for you, you will be able to follow the prompts to complete the sending of everything that is on that invoice. And you need to put in the amount that you want to send, and it must be exact to the invoice. Now, disclaimer guys, this is in no way any type of financial advice. Tread cautiously and understand that any losses you incur are fully your own responsibility. Thank you so much for watching guys. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.